Hello guys, today we're going to be doing a ninjago tutorial this video. Okay, here we go. Okay, starting with the first season. Okay. It was pretty good. Yeah, I have nothing against it. It's pretty good and pretty great. It wasn't a glorified toy commercial like other shows. It's a great season. Okay. Now the second one. This one. Okay, season 1. This one is amazing, and I'll tell you why. It had about, I don't know how many episodes. I bet it's about 50 episodes, but it was fantastic. There was a lot of good episodes, and most of the episodes were some of the best, especially TikTok, which is one of the best episodes of the show. Okay, the final battle. This might cause some controversy. I put in amazing, but this might cause some controversy. I don't know how to put it. I should say it was really good because, like, the golden ninja versus the overlord battle, that was really good, and the other episodes were fantastic. So yeah, it's amazing. Season 3. Season 3 was a wacky mess and terrible. Rebooted was garbage. It was terrible. It was one of the worst episodes of the show. Now, Tournament of Elements, it was fantastic. After the tragedy of Rebooted, Tournament of Elements changed the whole game. Tournament of Elements was spectacular. It was the best season of the whole show. The best. Okay, so I put it up in there. Okay, Possession, best season. Moral's the best villain. One of the best villains. And if you don't say Moral is the best villain, you get a life. Okay, now I'm gonna just skip through the other ones. Okay. Okay, thank you for watching, guys, and see you next time. Bye.